If you also want to increase your transaction limit, your spending limit, or your saving limit on your Cash app, then how can you simply do it? For this, open your Google Chrome browser or Edge browser on your PC right now and search for Cash app limit increase in front of you. So we will simply click it, and here we can see that verify your identity by providing full name, date of birth, and the last four digit of your social security number, that is SSN. Your limit will be increased. So we will go on the official chat support, and here you can read Cash App lets you send and receive up to $1,000 in 30-day period. If you have verified your identity using full name, your date of birth, and your SSN, that is your national number, you will have higher limits. So if they are unable to verify your account, this information, they may ask you to provide additional information, and they are unable to verify anybody under the age of 18. So you must be age plus 18 for applying increase limit. Then go on the chat with us and scan this QR code with Cash app or your phone's camera, and you will be redirected to the support page. There you can ask them to about it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.